Hello, everybody. Welcome back and nice to see you again. And today is December 30, 2022, and today is gonna be the last trading day of the 2022. Today is Friday. The market will be closed tomorrow, and I think the market will be open again after the New Year's, maybe on the 2nd of January or the 3rd of January. I'm not sure. Okay, if you notice, I just want to make a little bit announcement that I'm not really made a lot of vlog. I mean, it's been how many months I didn't make any vlog. The reason is because I'm quite busy with my job, because I'm working just like the ordinary people, just like you maybe at home. I'm working 9 to 5. Somehow, some way, I don't have enough time to make some vlog. Okay, and to be honest, the reality, this trading is not easy. The result from my trading journey, because I consider my vlog this is as my trading journal. This is not really have the good result. I'm not really satisfied. Somehow, some way, the account is not getting bigger and not getting less. But the good thing is I'm still keep my capital with me. And if you watch my previous vlog or my previous video, I'm starting with 5,000 US dollar, and up to now the money is still there. Okay, I'll still keep the 5,000. I'm not really made a good profit, but what can I say? At least I still keep my capital, my 5,000. And now uh, I get day off today, so it's better that I will bring you to see the latest position that I have. So this is also the final vlog from me in the year 2022. I hope that for the next year in 2023, everything gonna be different. I will be learning a lot from my mistake, because I made so much mistakes, so many basic mistake, and I will elaborate it maybe if I have time. But now it's better that we take a look my latest position that I have, because I have some position is open now, and I'm thinking that maybe I'm gonna close it, because this is the last day, because this is the last day of 2022 for the trading, the last trading day. Okay, so we better get straight to my MT5. Let's go.
Okay, so here we are now in my MT5 trading chart and still with IC market MT5. Okay, let's go through the every single position that I have from the moment my position is floating around 400 pips. And if you see that I have saw several different position with the different lot size. Okay, different lot size, because the reason is of course I just want to try to manage my risk. I don't want to open too big excuse me, too big lot size in every single position. Therefore there's some position that is big and the other is quite small. Okay, let's take a look one by one. Okay, okay, next, and next. Okay, this is the G pounds versus Australian dollar, GBP out. For the moment, my position is floating $43. Okay, with the size is 0.03. So that means this is 100 pips. Okay, this is more than 100 points for this pound sterling versus Australian dollar. And okay, back again, pound sterling, Australian dollar. I'm using 4-hour times frame. If you see, according to Ichimoku trading system, the Chikou span, everything, the Kumo cloud is red, Chikou span is outside the space. Tenkan-sen also is pointing downward, and you can see, generally speaking, that it's a bearish, maybe not really strong bearish, but more than 100 is not really so bad. The next position is pound sterling New Zealand dollar. I'm using for this pound sterling New Zealand dollar daily time frame. I'm using daily time frame because in daily time frame you can see after sideways several days, now the price starting to going down, and I think I'm going to keep this position until several days to go. Okay, because it's just the beginning, and you see the price now still set away. How many days? This is more than a week. Okay, more than 10 days, even more than 10 days. The price is still sideways. So I'm using for this pair is daily time frame, and I decided I will keep this one. Okay, next, this is pound sterling Canadian dollar GBP CAD. I'm using the 4-hour time frame. You can see the red arrow here. This is the point or the level where I open my position. And now from the toolbox here, so my position is 0.03, and now I'm floating $35. Okay, that's gonna be more than 100 pip as well. Okay, we will move to the next position is pound sterling US dollar. Okay, pound sterling US dollar. Now I'm floating profit $14, or is equivalent with 50 pips. Okay, if you see from the chart, according to Ichimoku trading system, okay, I can see the trading, the chart or the price is bearish, this GBP US dollar, but I can see here the candle, it is sideways, been upside down, upside down, upside down, and if you check the time, it's still around 8 hours to go before the market is closed. Maybe later before the market is closed, I will close this position because I'm not really sure that the price will be going down further. If you check the bigger time frame, okay, this is the bigger time frame from GBP US dollar. The price is in the beginning of November, the beginning or the middle of November 2022. It's a strong bullish, and now it seems they run out the fuel, and the price little bit retracing. I'm not sure. Of course, nobody know if the price will be retraced or make a strong pullback, become bearish. Okay, but for the moment, I just keep it like this, and let's see after several hours later on when I open my chart again. Okay, we move to the next position. This is GBP CHF, or pound sterling versus Swiss franc. Okay, for this position, I'm using this 12-hour time frame. As a swing trader, I'm trying to maximize all the time frame that I use with MT5. That's the reason I'm moving to MT5, because I would like to see more time frame. Okay, I'm not using any other charting software like TradingView. I'm just using purely only my MT5 that I have in my laptop. Okay, this is quite smooth and nice and smooth and easy. You can check it out from the red arrow here. This is the level where I took my sell position, and now from this position, check the toolbox, pound sterling Swiss franc. So with the lot size 0.06, So I'm floating profit $88. That is equivalent with around 120 points or 120 pips. Okay, so for this pair also it seems like the price is going back after here. This is not really sure, because if you check a look, this one is not really sure that the previous candle is bullish, but now the price is going down. So I will keep this position until minimum I made around 200 points before I decided to close the position. Okay, right now the position is 120 points, and I just decided to keep this one. Okay, I just decided to keep this one, and this is almost the same scenario with the previous position. This is the pair is GBP versus Danish kroner. Okay, let's take a look how much that I have. GBP Danish kroner, floating profit $72. Okay, with the lot size 0.05, that's equivalent with 130 pips. Okay, for this one as well, I'm decided to keep the position until I made at least 200 points. Okay, I would like to make 200 points because the stop loss that I had here, almost all the stop loss is around 200 pips. Okay, it's gonna be the risk reward ratio is 1:1. This is the risk management that I have, but this one I will decide it to move my stop loss to break even point. Okay, let's move the stop loss. Okay, sorry. What happened here? It seems nothing happened. Okay, wait a second. Okay, it seems like I have a problem with my internet connection, but later on when the internet connection back to normal, I'm going to move the stop loss to break even point. Okay, let's move to another position. Here I don't know. Here is pound sterling versus Singaporean dollar. Okay, pound sterling versus Singaporean dollar. I'm using the 12-hour time frame, and this is the setup that I'm looking for. So for me, using the Ichimoku Kinko-hyo trading system, this setup is really nice, and this is the setup that I've been looking for. But if you take a look from the red arrow here, this is the level, the point where I took my position. So take a look with another time frame. So if I'm using the 4-hour time frame, I'm using it here, and I'm let it down until this moment, but I'm using this 12-hour time frame. So with pound sterling versus Singaporean dollar, for the moment I'm floating profit around 110 points with the lot size 0.03, and for the moment I'm floating profit $40. Okay, not bad. And this one, the next question is pound sterling Japanese yen. Pound sterling Japanese yen, I'm opening this position using 0.06 lot size. Unfortunately, the floating profit that I have with me now is only $11. Okay, $11. But if you see from the chart, if you using also Ichimoku, that the chart gonna say that the price gonna be bearish. Okay, well, let's see what happened for next next week or the next year. Well, because next week is gonna be the 2023, and now it seems the candle and the price goes to bearish. Well, for sure, I just let this position open. I had really quite a big stop loss here, but this actually is 200 pips or 200 points. Okay, we move next to, oh no, sorry, that is the last position that I had. So let's take a look the equity that I have. My with me now is $5,393, and margin level is, I think, is still, I consider it's in the good level, 5,700%. And the total, all my trading position now is in the green zone, and I have now $361 until the this moment that I made this vlog. Okay, that is not really so bad. Maybe I'm going to do something, because now it seems the internet connection is not working properly. Okay, I need to fix the internet connection so I can adjust my stop loss, and because for example, this position is will move my stop loss to break-even point. These two position, pound sterling versus Swiss franc, and pound sterling versus Danish kroner. This position, I'm going to move the stop loss to break-even point. Okay, I think that is my last vlog for today, the last day of 2022. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope I'll see you again next year in the 2022. I hope that all of you who have the trading journey just like me, we just try to make some money. I hope that everybody will have a success in trading for the next year, 2023. Keep your family health, keep your health, and I'll see you for the next vlog in the year of 2023. Okay, and advance Happy New Year, everybody. I'll see you again. Thank you very much, and auf Wiedersehen.